What is going on, guys? This is Roberto Diaz. Here I have my wife Cassandra. Today we're going to be doing some Target shopping, and we're going to be choosing 3 gifts each for me, tech products, things that she might think that I like, and I'm going to be choosing my 3 favorite things from Target. That's 6, I'm at 3. So yeah, we're going to be going to Target right now. She's going to hopefully choose 3 things that I like, and we're going to see how good she does. Let's check it out, guys.
Alright guys, so I'm here at Target at the technology section, and I'm gonna start looking for my 3 choices under $50 for your tech guy.
What's going on, guys? I'm here at Target. This is harder than I thought, to be honest. I was just at the electronics section, and I couldn't really record there because those guys just staring at me, a worker, but we're gonna see what I can find.
This is kind of funny, but if you have a tech person in your life, I feel like a power strip is a great gift because you always need to be connecting things. So this one's cool. It's under 50, obviously. $25.99, $17.99. I don't know if this will be one of my top 3, but I think that's a funny and cool gift to give since they always need to be plugging stuff in. Oh, triple USB wall charger? Yeah, things like that. So in my opinion, I don't think you can ever go wrong with another SD card because they're always filling those things up so quick. So there's different prices. Might be one of my top 3, might not, I don't know. We'll see. Oh, Low Pro, I know that's a good brand. So when your tech person's thirsty, just give them a water bottle. That's out of my $50 budget, so no. Okay, so I think these earphones are a complete no-no because, well, it depends. If your tech person is like mine, they like good quality sound for their music or whatever they're listening to. So I would not get them something like this. I'd rather invest in some good headphones or speakers. Just my opinion. Black or clear? Which one do you think is better? Maybe the clear one so the iPhone logo can show? Yeah? Okay, I guess that one's the one. Our baby helped us with that one. I don't know if this is cheating or not, but we're gonna go with the clear one. And that one is $39.99.
Okay, it's $69, but come on, really? You can spend an extra $20. Who doesn't want? Which guy wouldn't want a Bose speaker?
So, oh, these are the Echo Dots are 22 right now, so they're on sale, but or else they're originally $49.99. I think that would be a really cool gift. We have an Alexa, so that would be nice. And the $29 Google Nest, normally $49, so right under 50. These are useful because you can program them to turn off the lights, turn on the lights, tell you when your package arrives, especially the Echo Dot, I believe. I think this would be cool.
Some power banks. I'm not really seeing anything that stands out. We have this Anchor one for $49. That's quick charge. I would not mind this. It's not bad.
Okay, so you cannot forget about these. We personally have the Roku. I don't know if it's Express, but the Roku is cool. We use it to watch YouTube, Netflix, Hulu, all these things on our TV, Disney Plus. And it is only $29.99. So this is for sure one. There's the Google Chromecast. We use this one too, but I personally, I think if I remember correctly, you needed to use this from your phone all the time. So stream it from your phone to the TV. I could be wrong. And oh, here's a Roku Premiere. I wonder what the difference is. I think one's 4K and one's not. Because this one says 4K and HDR streaming. Well, this one is $29.99, so what the? I would for sure go for this one then because it looks cooler and it's the same price.
I would get this. Easily. Fire Stick 4K. Let's go for So we just got back from doing our little Target trip. All right, guys, so you guys kind of know what I picked. So Cassandra's gonna reveal her top 3 choices at Target, and let's see what she got. So if you could please.
And as you probably already saw in the footage, I was picking a bunch of random, I mean not a bunch, but I picked more than 3 things. So these are the 3 things that I narrowed it down to. And I mean the other things you saw previously, those are always good ideas too. So, but okay, so the 3 things, I'm gonna tell you one by one, okay?
Alright.
So number 1, it is, drum roll. Okay, it's called the Science Kit's Harry Potter Cano Coding Kit, Build a Wand. And it was for $49.99, so just under $50. And it was on sale, so originally it was $79.99. So it only counts if you do find it on sale. And the reason I picked the Harry Potter one is because that was the one that was in stock. If they had the other ones, I know they have some to build like a speaker or computer. And that would have been a cool choice too, in my opinion. But they had the Harry Potter one in stock, so.
So you build your wand?
Yes, you build your own wand and you code it or whatever.
That's pretty cool. Do I tell you if I chose any of those?
Well, just tell me, is that on your list or not?
No, it's not on my list.
It's still a cool gift.
Let
me know in the comments if that's one of your top 3, okay?
It's pretty cool because I like anything that's on sale. So, I mean, anything that has to do with coding or computer electronics, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, that's why I thought it was cool.
It's a cool
and
idea.
I mean, if you haven't watched Harry Potter, maybe it wouldn't be as cool, but I feel like the majority of people have watched Harry Potter. And like I said, there might be other ones. It doesn't have to be the Harry Potter one. There's other coding toys, activities, type of thing.
I think those are for kids, but I mean, it's still you could still use it for adults, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, that's a pretty cool idea.
Yeah, because it wasn't in the toy section.
Oh, okay, my bad.
Okay, number 2, it is the Echo Dot. And it was on sale for $22. And originally it's $49.99, so it was almost like 50% off. So that is my second choice because we have an Amazon, an Alexa, and it's so cool to just tell it to turn on the lights and turn off.
We have the Echo.
Oh, it's the same one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, there you go. So I think that's really useful, especially that we have a baby. You don't want to walk to the light all the time and turn it on. You can just tell Alexa to do it, or we can ask her to play a song or whatever. So that was my second choice. Is it on your list?
Yeah, it's on my list.
Oh, yay!
Yeah, that was. I actually love that one because it's originally $49 and they have it for $22. So it's on sale right now at Target. So
not sponsored.
But we already have one, but you can literally put them all over the house, and if you want to add more, it's a pretty cool gift for anyone. And now smart home electronics are getting cheaper and cheaper, so everyone started with the Philips Hues and stuff, but now you can go to Walmart actually, and that's another video. But you can get smart home electronics for probably half the price or way less, and they're the same quality, or not the same quality, but really good electronics. So yeah, smart home all the way. All right, next up.
So number 3, it is I think I have the right name, but it's the Fire TV Stick 4K. And it was on sale for $24.99, originally $49.99. So it was also it was pretty much 50% off. So hopefully you find these on sale, but is that on your list?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Do you want to explain what it is? Because, I mean, my explanation is you plug it into the TV and you can watch Netflix, you can watch YouTube. I'm pretty sure Disney Plus is on there, Hulu, and a bunch of other channels, and you don't have to pay for cable. I mean, you have to pay for the subscriptions, but I think it's such a cool, useful thing to have on your TV.
Yeah, I chose that as well. It's I liked, first off, that it's on sale. So from originally $49, you can get that for $24.99. And this is the 4K version, which is amazing. So if you have a 4K TV, you can literally plug this device in, and now you technically convert if your TV is not a smart TV, now it's basically a smart TV, and you get the advantage of using all these cool channels and things that you can put on your TV, YouTube, all these cool things. Right now we have a Roku. My wife doesn't know this, but I actually bought one for Amazon Fire Stick, a 4K one. So I'm kind of gonna be trying out the Fire Stick. So
why did you buy it?
Why?
When?
Like yesterday. But yeah, we're gonna be trying.
What TV?
We're just gonna swap the Roku for that.
Wow.
So I kind of want to compare the Roku to the Amazon Fire Stick and just see its advantages. So I don't really know what it has in store, but I think it's a great deal, and it can be that different from a Roku or any kind of smart plug for your TV. And it plugs in HDMI, so if your boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever has a TV that has an HDMI port, which they should, if they don't, then I don't know what they're doing.
Yeah.
but they'll be good, and it's a great device. So you basically got two of the things that I chose, so that's pretty good. So good job. The only one she didn't get is which is technically my fault because it's over the price limit, but I chose it because I thought it'd be worth it. You can pay $20 more and it's worth it. So
that's breaking the rules of the game.
It doesn't matter. You can save up another $20 and you can get it.
So technically I didn't lose. You cheated.
Well, whatever. So it's the Bose Micro. The Bose Micro $69.99.
Oh, a speaker.
Yes.
I was gonna look at the speakers too, but
yeah. So this is a Bluetooth speaker, and first of all, you guys know the brand Bose. It's a higher end brand. So the moment you buy your boyfriend or girlfriend, whatever you have, a Bose
or someone you just want to buy a gift for, brother, sister, mom, dad.
Yeah, any Bose item, they're gonna be like, oh my god, they went the extra mile, or it looks expensive.
Yeah, that's
so
nice.
You're adding a little bouginess to whatever you bought. They're originally for $99, and you can save a bunch of money, and they're right now for $69.99. So,
which is breaking the rules of this title, but
it's worth it. So I mean, you can save up $20, and they come in 3 different colors. I think orange, black, and a dark gray, bluish thing. And I was checking it out at Target, and it sounds pretty cool. It sounds pretty good for a little small micro Bluetooth speaker. And yeah, I recommend it to anyone that's looking to even get a new speaker. This thing's on sale right now at Target. So you want to pick this up for the holidays, it'd be a great option for you or your family members.
Yeah, and like I said earlier, all the different things you saw me looking at are also good options. And if you're interested in like maybe another video where like gifts under $30 or under $25, we can do that, because I think some of the things I mentioned were way less than 50, like probably under 30 or 25, but I ended up going with the ones that were a little closer to 50 because they just seemed like better things to give. Like, yeah,
definitely. So yeah, we'll be working on more little videos like this. I think it's a cool, fun, interactive way to choose gifts, and who doesn't like getting gifts. And
let us know in the comments if you agreed to the top 3 things I picked, if you agreed to the 3 things he picked, if you know of any other things that we didn't find at our Target that you think would have made a good idea, because even people who are watching this video can maybe get ideas from the comments too. And let us know if there's any other store you'd like us to do, because it was a lot of fun. I love Target.
Walmart's coming up next.
I know, I love shopping.
We're going to risk our lives for you guys. No,
it's shopping season.
So we're going to go crazy, fight people at Walmart just for you guys. So that's our next video coming up, guys. Once again, this is Roberto.
This is Cassandra.
Thank you guys for watching our video, and we'll see you guys next time.
Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment down below. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That will get you to watch our next video.